Cats have a way of making even the most ordinary moments feel mysterious, and one of their strangest behaviors is their tendency to stare at absolutely nothing, or at least, nothing that humans can see. If you've ever caught your cat sitting completely still, fixating on a corner of the room, the ceiling, or a seemingly empty wall for minutes on end, you might have found yourself wondering if they're seeing something beyond your perception. Are they detecting ghosts? Are their senses so advanced that they perceive things invisible to us? Or is there a more logical explanation behind this eerie feline behavior? The answer lies somewhere between science and mystery, as a cat's vision, hearing, instincts, and even psychology play a role in this strange habit. To understand why cats stare at nothing, it helps to consider how their vision differs from ours. Cats see the world in a way that is both sharper and more limited than human vision. While they lack the ability to see a full range of colors the way humans do, they excel at detecting motion, particularly in low light. Their eyes are designed for hunting at dawn and dusk, making them incredibly sensitive to even the tiniest movements. A flickering shadow, a small bug too tiny for the human eye to notice, or even a slight shift in lighting can capture a cat's attention for extended periods. If your cat appears to be staring at a blank wall, they may actually be tracking the movement of a minuscule insect or noticing the way light refracts in a way that's imperceptible to you. Beyond just vision, a cat's hearing is significantly more advanced than a human's. They can detect frequencies up to 65,000 Hz, whereas humans typically top out at around 20,000 Hz. This means that they can hear ultrasonic sounds, like the squeaks of mice or the high-frequency noises made by electronics. What might seem like a silent, empty space to you could be filled with subtle sounds that your cat is honing in on. The hum of a distant appliance, the tiny scurrying of an insect within the walls, or even the rustling of pipes deep in the house could all explain why your cat appears to be intensely staring at nothing. Another possibility is that your cat is simply lost in thought. Despite their reputation for being independent and aloof, cats are highly intelligent and curious creatures. They spend a lot of time observing their environment, even when nothing obvious is happening. Unlike humans, who tend to fill their time with constant activity, cats have no problem sitting still for long periods, seemingly contemplating the universe. A cat that appears to be staring at an empty space might just be daydreaming or processing recent experiences. This is similar to when humans zone out while staring at a wall, not necessarily focusing on anything, but allowing their minds to drift. The idea that cats can see things that humans cannot has long fascinated pet owners, and many believe that felines have a kind of sixth sense. Some people are convinced that cats can detect supernatural entities, sensing presences beyond the physical world. While science has yet to prove this, stories abound of cats suddenly staring at a particular spot, acting startled, or following invisible movements with their eyes. These behaviors have led many to wonder whether cats can perceive spirits or energies that remain hidden from human senses. While skeptics dismiss this as mere coincidence or overinterpretation of feline behavior, it remains a compelling mystery, especially for those who have experienced eerily timed feline stares in their homes. Cats also rely heavily on their whiskers and other sensory receptors to pick up information about their surroundings. These receptors help them detect vibrations, air currents, and even subtle temperature changes. If your cat is staring at an empty corner, they might actually be sensing a shift in airflow, possibly from a vent, a draft, or even the movement of another person or pet in another part of the house. This heightened sensitivity can make them aware of things that are completely undetectable to human perception, reinforcing the idea that they are reacting to something real, even if it's invisible to us. Sometimes, a cat's staring behavior is tied to instinctual alertness. As natural-born hunters, cats are always scanning their environment for potential threats or prey. Even in the comfort of a home, where no real danger exists, their instincts remain strong. A cat that appears to be staring at nothing may actually be engaging in a form of vigilance, checking for any signs of movement or change in its territory. This is particularly common in cats that have outdoor access or have previously lived as strays, as they are more accustomed to scanning their surroundings for survival. for some cats, staring at nothing could be a way to communicate something to their owners. Cats are masters of body language, and a prolonged stare can sometimes be their way of expressing curiosity, confusion, or even seeking attention. If your cat stares at a certain spot and then looks at you, they may be trying to direct your attention to something that has caught their interest. It could be a sound they heard, a scent they detected, or even just a request for you to investigate alongside them. In rare cases, excessive staring could be linked to medical issues. Certain neurological conditions, such as feline cognitive dysfunction, similar to dementia in humans, can cause disoriented staring or trance-like states. Older cats, in particular, may develop symptoms that include staring at walls, acting confused, or appearing unaware of their surroundings for brief moments. Seizures or vision problems can also result in abnormal staring behavior. While this is uncommon, if a cat suddenly starts staring at nothing excessively, along with other unusual behaviors like disorientation, excessive vocalization, or lack of responsiveness, a vet visit might be necessary to rule out any health concerns. Another factor to consider is that cats are creatures of habit. If they have previously noticed movement, sound, or something interesting in a particular spot, they may continue staring at that place out of expectation. This is similar to how a cat might wait by the food bowl at the same time every day, even if no food has been placed there yet. A cat that once saw a bug on a wall or heard a noise from a vent may repeatedly check that spot just in case something exciting happens again. One amusing theory suggests that cats might simply be messing with us. Anyone who has lived with a cat knows that they can be playful and sometimes mischievous. If a cat stares at nothing and sees that it gets a reaction from their owner, they might continue doing it just to keep things interesting. After all, from a cat's perspective, watching a human react in confusion might be just as entertaining as watching a bug crawl across the floor. Ultimately, the reason why cats stare at nothing is a mix of their heightened senses, natural instincts, and possibly even their unique way of experiencing the world. Whether they're detecting movements too small for human eyes, hearing ultrasonic sounds, sensing air currents, lost in thought, or simply enjoying a moment of quiet observation, their behavior is deeply tied to their evolutionary past. While science offers logical explanations, the mystery remains open-ended, and for many cat lovers, the possibility that cats perceive something beyond our understanding only adds to their charm. Whether they are seeing hidden dimensions, sensing energy shifts, or just indulging in a moment of feline contemplation, one thing is certain: cats will always keep us guessing.